Hi, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video, we're going to do a gorgeous, dark, deep, vertical ombre. For this design, I've already applied a tip, filed it into a nice almond shape, and I've prepped the nail as well with the prep products. If you want to see the video for that, check it out with the links below. For this nail, we're going to do a vertical ombre. So we're going to do it with these acrylic powders here. So we've got Vivid Violet and we've got the black. And we're going to start with the darkest colour. And we're going to come down one side. So get it nice and neat at the cuticle. Nice and neat at the side. Bring it all the way down. And then start to bring it over to the centre. And use your brush quite flat, just bring that product over the centre. I'm going to add another bead here just so the colour's a little bit deeper. Again, I'm just bringing it over to the centre. So we go over just over halfway, and this bit's really thin. And then we're going to use the Vivid Violet colour. And we're going to come down one side again. So basically the opposite of what we've just done on the opposite side. Make sure you keep it nice and neat at the cuticle. You might have to add some little beads to do that. So we're using the brighter, paler colour to fade over the top of the black. It's a lot easier to fade this over rather than doing the black fading over the Vivid Violet. And I'm just picking up a wet bead and just flushing that over just to add to the fade. And just brushing a wet brush over the black just to clean that up so it's got no residue of the Vivid Violet on that side. Now to give it strength, now we're going to encapsulate that. So we're going to cap it with clear. We don't need it too dry, we want it to flow nicely over the nail. Make sure you cover all of the colour that you've applied, else you will file it away when you come to file. You don't want to do that. Once you've encapsulated that, you want to let that set until it goes matte, and then we can pinch that nail. So I've just pinched that a little, just to bring the sides in and give it a nice curve and add a little bit more strength. I'm going to file this now. Side walls, first of all. Exactly the same filing routine. And we're going to do the cuticle area. The length of the nail. Dust that over. And wipe over with some acetone just to reduce the demarcations in the nail and smooth that out. I'm now going to seal this with some Mega Gloss. Put it into the lamp for 1 minute. Just going to finish with some cuticle oil. All the way around.